Good morning, kids. Let's learn our daily routine in English. I wake up early.
I wake up early.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I take a bath.
I take a bath.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I comb my hair.
I comb my hair.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to school.
I go to school.
I study in class.
I study in class.
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
I play with my friends.
I play with my friends.
I come back home.
I come back home.
I take off my shoes.
I take off my shoes.
I wash my hands.
I wash my hands.
I eat snakes.
I eat snakes.
I watch cartoons.
I watch cartoons.
I do my homework.
I do my homework.
I help my mom.
I help my mom.
I read a story book.
I read a story book.
I brush my teeth again.
I brush my teeth again.
I wear my pajamas.
I wear my pajamas.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
I say good night.
I say good night.
I sleep.
I sleep.